Why do you think plants are important? Yes, maybe.
They give us oxygen.
Okay, give us oxygen. What else? Only oxygen. Food. Very good. What else?
Give shade.
Give shade. Yes, very nice. So we are spending under the shade of a plant only. You eventually become a tree. Yes, Aneri? Give us oxygen. Very nice. Now, anything else? Yes, wait. Yes, Shreya.
Teacher.
Yes, Shreya, your turn.
Give us flowers.
Okay, very nice.
Give vegetable.
Okay, vegetables.
Teacher,
So,
give fiber.
fiber. Yes, all the kind of things we get it from. Very nice. Fiber. So, I related a lesson fiber to fabric here also. Now, we are going to learn about different types of plants today. Okay, so you let's and come and follow me wherever I'm taking you. Come. Okay, then as you can see in your surrounding, there are different types of plants you see here.
Yes.
So some are very short, like these ones. Yes, some are at height of, as you can see, my height. Some are very taller than me also. So we have various categories of plants. Okay, so main categories based on one difference is that first of all, let us look at the certain parts of a plant. So if I plug this plant, okay, can you see these parts are called what? Leaves. These ones. Leaves. This portion. Stem. This one. Okay. Now based on what type of stem they have, based on the types of leaves, or based on types of roots, we have various categories of the plant based on height, based on stem. Okay. Some plants, as you can see, some of them have got a very soft stem. Okay, very soft and tender stem and green color stem like this one, and I can cut the stem with my fingers. These plants which are very short, height is very short, stem is soft, another word for soft is tender, and the stem which you can cut with the hands or fingers, these are called what? Herbs. What are the names of these types of plants?
Herbs.
And basically these plants are very short ones. So basically whatever you see here, the smaller ones, okay, these are grass, okay, these are what? Grass. But these plants which you can see, very small ones, they can be belonging to the group of herbs. Now we have the next category here. As you can see, some of these plants are very tall. Yes, taller than me. Some of these plants have got a woody kind of stem. A woody means what? Little hard stem. It is not very soft. If I touch this particular stem, if I want to cut it with the fingers, I won't be able to do. I have to either use a sharp object with me. It can be a cutter, knife, something like that in order to cut it. Okay, so what is the wood? Can you see the wood stem of this plant? It's dark green color, little harder. It is not very soft. What is another word for soft? I told you. It's not soft. It's little bit hard, woody, and these stems of these plants we cannot pluck or cut it with the fingers. These are called what? What are those called? Shrubs. What are those called?
Shrubs.
Okay. Now I will show you another plant. Okay, these are also shrub only. Okay, come this. Now what? This flowering plant, what you can see here is. These are what? Shrubs. Now this one flower, white flower. Yes, white flower you can see.
Yes.
So these white color flowers, whichever you have, these are shrubs. What are those?
Shrubs.
Shrubs are little bit taller plants. You can say some plants can be as height of as mine. Mostly flowering plants come in this group. As you can see, this flowering plant. Okay. Now let me tell you about the stem, features of the stem. Okay, look at the stem. Is it very soft stem?
No.
Okay, these are branches. Okay, look at this particular part. Look at this one. Can you see it's a hard stem?
Yes.
The stem is hard, woody, summered. Woody means very hard. If I want to use the fingers or nails of my fingers, I won't be able to cut them. It is not possible to cut karna possible na. I can break the branch. Okay. Now, can you see this main part is the stem? Okay. Homodi asa pai the stem. There are some parts attached to the stem. These are called branches. What are these called?
Branches.
Now look at these branches very carefully. The branches start from the base. Yes or no?
Yes.
Branches asta. Usually herbs doesn't have branches. The plant which I have shown you just now, small one, they don't have branches. Yes or no? Look at these plants. Do they have branches?
No.
Okay, especially this one. Okay, do they have branches?
No.
They don't have more branches, or branches are very less in these kind of plant, but they might have branches. Okay, doesn't mean that herbs might not have branches. Another example of herb, coriander.
Yes.
कोथिंबीर.
Yes.
हा, तेका branches असतात धाकटे. Have you seen? पळयल्यार? हा. Okay, they might have branches. This also have branches. But look at the branches. Branches start from the base. From where the branches start? Base. The stem is hard. It is not green. It may be green in color. It may not be green in color. Now we have the next category of the plant, which you can see right over here. This is a tree. Is this a tree? These are taller than us.
Yes.
Stem is brown in color. What is the color of the stem?
Brown.
Brown in color. That's very hard stem, woody stem. It won't be possible for me to cut it even with a blade. Even if I take a blade also, I won't be able to cut the stem. I need a very sharp tool to cut the stem of this particular. And the stem is bigger. This plant is just, you can say, still going to grow in height. It eventually going to become a very big plant. And as it going to become a very big plant, you will notice the stem size will also increase. So the stem, the width of the stem increase. The width of the stem increase a little bigger. Green, not green in color, brown in color. Woody stem. Now what about the branches? Branches doesn't start from a base. This is a base. Can you see the base?
Yes.
It doesn't start with a base. The branches start from very high. Okay, from the top. So the branches in case of a tree start from top. So that's the difference between a tree and a shrub. Sometimes you might say this is a shrub only. When the plant is small, it looks like a shrub only, right? That time you might think it is a shrub or it is a tree. But what is the difference to tell you that branches start from a top? Or the basic difference, you have to look at the stem. Stem is hard, woody, and branches start from the top. Okay? So 3 types of plant we have learned. Herb, shrubs, and trees. Remaining one will continue. Good day.